Hey yo! It's Chriso the tilenator. Chriso the tilenator. Far out. How's everyone? Woo! It's the I'm doing the second coat. I had a lot to do yesterday, so I only had enough time for the first coat. Usually I can do it in a whole, in one day, both coats. It has time to dry and then I put my second one in. But I had to do quite a few things yesterday with the niche and all that sort of thing. So I'm back on a Friday morning. This will take me an hour and a quarter to do my second coat. And then it's the weekend. Woo! What happened? There we go. In the middle of the night, I realised that I hadn't done my corner piece. And I thought, rightio, I mustn't forget. And I'll do it this morning. And there we go. Lift up the flap, put some there, press it down. Oh, beautiful. We're good to go. We're good to go. Uh-oh, I'll just stuff that up. I wasn't gentle enough. So this is my second coat, people. It's a important coat because you're actually getting parts that you missed in the first coat, like you have a few pinholes here and there, in your first coat. Second one finds them all. Another thing I like to do actually too is both coats in the shower, where the shower is, I do like to brush it in instead of rolling, because your brush strokes you're doing every which way, but like all over the place. Sounds weird, but it's not really. Oh, that's looking gorgeous. Da, 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 da. Dee 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 dee. Right, I'm on my knees, so I'll stay down here, do around the bottom. The owner is just taking the kids to school. I met him on the driveway. He said, "Oh, I'll be back in 10 minutes. I said, okie dokie, whatever. So this is your second coat, everyone, and it's very important. A DIY can waterproof his own bathroom if you sort of follow the fundamentals. And I show you everything you need to know in my videos how to waterproof. Clean that up a little bit, otherwise the plumber will whinge. Ooh. This will cure over the weekend. Monday when I come back, I'll be tiling the floor. Then the next day into the walls. So yeah, I go all around, then I roll in the walls, come out on my floor. Ooh. On Monday when I'm doing the floor, I'll have my aluminium going from here across to there. That'll be my water stop, so no water will ever go out the door. Sounds like Dad's back with dropped off the kids. Got the dog. It's all good. Right, I'll see you shortly. Hey yo, it's Chriso. Right, I've just done the second coat. So Monday I come back, today's Friday. Monday I come back and lay the floor, and then we're into the walls Tuesday. It's all going well according to plan. If you've got a plan, you're home and hose. This is Chriso. Don't forget to subscribe. See that? That's pressing the subscribe button. See ya. Ciao.